This is one crispy salad. One plant. So much. So big. So very big. Yeah. You see my chicken, they eat one crispy salad. Or one lettuce. Hello guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano namin. Aronia. So here is the Aronia berries. Here is the Aronia berries. Ito yung Aronia berries. So the taste is not really interesting. It's mapakla. Mapakla yung taste niya. But a little sweet. But it's mapakla yung taste. It tastes good, and they said that it's good antioxidant, very rich in antioxidant. So this berries is very good to our body. So ganito yung mukha niya. So it's my first time to try these berries. It's here, Papa. So this time is mag-harvest kami ng aming corn. Harvest corn. See that cucumber there? It's cucumber.
It's big or small?
A little big. So we will pick the corn now.
Mama, it's over there.
Mais. So we'll pick the corn.
Look up there. That's not the corn. It's a mummy.
Yeah, it's mais.
Mommy.
Mais, not mummies.
But I like it.
Okay, so here is. There's a potato na, oh. See, potato.
Yeah, but you just come from them. You just come for the mummies, not for the potato.
Okay. So here is the corn. So we will try to harvest this one because it looks like it's a little bigger. So we will harvest slowly because there's another one there. So we will try to pick like this slowly. Oops, so it's difficult. So I can wait a little. So I need to off this video because I need to hold it. Yeah.
I think it is.
So we took already.
What is this snigler there?
That one, the big snigler there.
I don't like to have a snigler.
Oh, I should remove that snigler. There. Okay, so we will pick the other one there. There's a little bigger there. This one. So it looks like it's ready now. So we can take it also. This one. This one. Just take it like this. Just take it slowly.
I'll carry that too big. If you carry it too small. Anyway.
So need to cut it. See that a lot of insects inside of the corn. That's how it looks. And this one, it's no more something hair, and we can see. This is yours, Agapa. And I think we need to wait.
And this.
I think we need to wait that one
This is the bomb.
because I'm not really sure, or we can check.
And there's bombs in this.
Yeah,
I want to.
so need to wait a little. We need to wait a little. So that's it for this time because some they are still small. This one is small also,
This one is small.
so they need to wait.
This is small.
And we can get some of apples so that we can eat some apples. Yeah,
Why it died? I want mommy.
I don't know.
It's my big one.
Okay, and just get to a lot of birds eat here. So this one birds eat also. Yeah, okay, so let's go now.
There's a big mammoth up there. Mama.
That's our only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corn that we planted this year. We just try it if it's possible for corn to grow here because sometimes it's not a good weather. So that's it. So we will cook later the corn and how it looks. So ito na yung ating corn from our garden. So we will open if marami bang laman. So here is the mais or the corn. So this one, it's nearly completely. Some is no corn there. No corn there. And this one is not so much corn as well. So it's too early that we harvest this. But because the children wants to eat corn now, so we harvest. So later we'll cook this. So that's it. That's the result of our corn, planting corn 2020. So watch out for more video for the next vlog. We will plant more corn. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.